Hey, what's up everybody? Crypto Bren here. I want to do this quick video of just a little update of what's going on in Arbistar 2.0. So if you guys log into your back office and you come down here to the product section and you click on it, and it'll bring you to this page right here. Pay with BitPay, which is recommended. I do recommend everybody get a BitPay just so you guys can order yourself your own prepaid Visa card, and you guys can load up all the profits onto that card when you guys start making money with the community bot. With BitPay, which is recommended, compatible wallets with BitPay is also BitPay Wallet, CoPay Wallet, BTC.com Wallet, Mycelium Wallet, which is recommended, Edge Wallet, formerly Airbitz, Electrum Wallet, desktop only, PayPro not supported on mobile, Bitcoin Core Wallet, Bitcoin.com Wallet, Bird Wallet, Bread Wallet. If you guys come here, we're actually not able to accept BitPay payments right now, so a lot of people are having trouble understanding like why is it not taking my money. The reason for that is because BitPay's requirements for Arbistar, their little partnership, is that they only offer a certain amount of Bitcoin on their own wallet. So we're not able to actually accept any more contributions into our platform through that service. So what we need to do is you need to keep scrolling down. You need to pay with our wallet. That's paying with Arbistar's wallet. And go ahead and read this important English document here. You are choosing to pay from the alternative wallet. You only have to do this if the BitPay payment option has failed you. To be able to prove the payment for the alternative option, it is obligatory to send Bitcoin and that you also pay from the same Bitcoin wallet that you have in your profile, my profile section of Arbistar 2.0. This is necessary to authenticate your payment and be able to prove the contribution. When you put the figure in Bitcoin, you must put point for decimals. Once the Bitcoin is sent within a period of approximately 1 hour, your payment will be credited in My Finance section. That's just saying, guys, that you guys need to use the same wallet, Bitcoin wallet, that you use to register into Arbistar 2.0. If that was your BitPay receiving address, then you need to use BitPay. You can still use BitPay to send to the pay with their wallet section. You guys can use any wallet you guys want, like Coinbase, any other wallet like Exodus wallet, or even your exchange wallet, but you have to make sure it's the same wallet as you use to register, okay? Hopefully that made sense. And same thing, same concept here, guys. Just scroll down. If you guys want to contribute into the community bot, 100 euros or more for the community bot. So you just click choose plan. Read the terms and conditions, guys. I won't spend time to read this, but go ahead and read this, accept it. If you guys don't want to, then say no thanks. Go ahead and push OK. Then this will pop up right here, total amount. And just pick your total amount. You got to understand this amount is in euros, so you got to convert it. If you're in US dollar, it'll be 115. So when you guys send the payment, it'll auto-populate for you the amount. So you just choose your plan. And what you guys need to do is you need to copy this amount of Bitcoin. So you go to your wallet on your phone or whatever wallet you registered into the company, and you're going to send 0.029629. I would send that exact amount, okay? And copy this address here. This is their receiving wallet address, so this is the wallet you're going to put in to send your Bitcoin in there, okay? So that's about it, guys. Once you guys send the payment, you guys should be good to go. Wait an hour, and you should see your payment into your back office. If you guys have not, contact me. I'm Brendan Parker on Facebook. If you guys haven't added me, go ahead and add me. And have any concerns, just PM me. And you'll need to send me your username and your email. And I'll go ahead and talk to support for you guys if you guys can't contact support. But try to do it yourself. You could go to the website, go on the live chat and talk to them. Wait for they get back to you. But if you guys are in a hurry, go ahead and just contact me, and I'll take care of it for you. So thank you guys for joining me here on Arbistars 2.0 new update. I'm Crypto Bren. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.